guys, in today's video we are going to see how we feed birds at our home.
This is the feeder where we keep food for the sparrows to eat. This bowl is where we keep food for all kinds of birds and squirrels to eat. This will always be full with food. Now we are going to put food for the crow. After going and feeding the birds so much, I learned how to voice like the crow. Now we are keeping water for the birds. Now we are going to scatter grains on the ground for the pigeons to eat. Sometimes pigeons come which are very different color and they are very beautiful to see. Look how the crows are trying to eat from the closed packet. Believe me guys, this one activity in the early morning will make you relaxing and refreshing. Please do feed the birds. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.